Hello everyone, I'm Ishita and I'm a student of SSAC and I scored 158 out of 200 in my NATA first attempt. I joined SSAC after my 12th board exams and I was quite scared that I wouldn't be able to score well with so little time left. But the faculty at SSAC had a clear roadmap of all the topics to prepare me for so that I can sit in my exam feeling pretty good about my preparations. The resources that they provided me with were very concise, and if a student were to learn the resources thoroughly, I'm sure he or she will be able to score very well in their exams. The teachers at SSAC are amazing and diligent and always there for the students in whatever doubts they might have. I had a wonderful experience at SSAC and I'm thankful to all the people who made it possible. I would recommend people to join SSAC to score amazing in their exams.